Hello, the topic of this presentation will be focused on implementation of enterprise systems. The main steps of implementation. For the first course, team building and setting goals. And second is general preparation. Third is building the customer-specific information. Fourth is prepare for the release or rollout. Finally is deployment and support. For the part of team building and setting goals, the whole process of implementation of enterprise system requires a group of people to work together for some time to research, build, and implement with a specific goal in mind. There is a picture for the team building and setting goals. To develop a team, first, the goals are critical and should be referred back to during and after the implementation process to ensure focus is retained. For second roles, different roles for different members of a group leads to team roles. For the third management process, depending on the experience available and that which is required, team management. For the final interpersonal relationships, ability or skills or character of different individuals would lead to team ability. For general preparation, the team should be trained before the project kickoff. The project team and other key users should be trained on their usage of the system. For the document the project, this greatly assists to monitor the progress of the project before actual implementation. For hardware, verify all hardware requirements. Software, verify all software requirements. Backups or storage, configure all storage plans with proper backup plans in place. Installation of the test environment. An area must be defined for the test and training and the database kept ready for the test. For building the customer-specific information, working with an open system ensures that it can be customized further with daily and different customer requirements. Experience has it that companies that work closely with the design functionality, even if they work with the system, implement faster than companies that customized from the beginning of the project to meet customers' demands. Prepare for the release or rollout. At this stage, it is necessary to put in place the product environment, bring in live data, and train the end users on the necessary skills. There have 4 parts. An end user guide must be ready. The environment must be fully stable and turned ready for use. It is important to implement the fourth scenario for new projects to provide a full capture of all the necessary data. The backup must be tested and restore policy must therefore be set up. For the part of deployment and support. At this stage, it's necessary to have a launching meeting where the system has to be verified as fully stable. Second is ensure the system is supported by the end user and therefore the management at large. Third is to ensure there exists a manual and therefore the end user is well trained. Fourth is adapting to the new system takes time, so if the users can continue working with the old system, the change may fail, hence it's necessary to block access to the old system. Fifth is to ensure to verify all backups and restore procedures. For implementation and support, the project should be implemented in steps, especially with the validation and approval of the users before moving to the next step. Issue logbook and give a guideline on how to report issues that can be improved or changed. At the beginning, it's necessary to hold regular feedback meetings and take care of issues raised by users. It's necessary to use the logbox to collect enhancement requests. Finally, is to provide feedback to these enhancement requests and make changes only if the data get corrupted. Thank you for listening.